We're going to take an in-depth look at our budget and how it was created. We started with our WBS that was created from a bottom up. We wanted to make an optimal schedule with a lot of margin so that we wouldn't see a slide later in the project for critical milestones. And we wanted to have all hands on deck early on in the project so that we could make sure that everyone was aligned going forward and we didn't have any late discoveries that would require a lot of rework. So after the WBS was created, we assigned resources. We pulled the total hours for each resource out of the project plan and assigned a billable labor rate of $150 per hour, which is pretty standard for NASA contract work. We found that with these numbers, our initial budget came in well above what we were given for the project. So we reduced our margin on major tasks and cut down on the flow time for minor tasks. We also reduced the number of teams represented on some of the initial tasks and instead just had them stay on for checkpoint tasks such as the systems requirement review, the preliminary design review, and the critical design review. After a few iterations of cutting down on margin and touch time on tasks, we got to what we thought was the minimum realistic flow for turning out the product that we were being asked for. This was still over our estimates, so we'd like to ask for that delta to be covered in order to deliver a quality product in the time that we're being asked to deliver for. The original budget was $290,000. Our final compressed timeline budget was $333,000, giving us a delta of $43,000. Thanks.